Hello friends, engineers, and developers. Ken Briodagh here from Embedded Computing Design at Automate 2026 in Chicago, Illinois. And if you're at this show, then you need to come by the Taiwan Excellence booth here. It's booth number 441. It is full of all sorts of the most innovative, most exciting, great companies coming out of Taiwan, and you need to see what they're doing in industrial automation, in industrial computing, in all of the arenas that we here at Embedded Computing Design really care about. And right now I'm lucky enough to be here with Eric from IBASE. Eric, thank you so much for joining me.
Hi.
Eric, can you please introduce yourself and tell the folks a little bit about IBASE in case they don't know?
My name is Eric, and I'm with IBASE Technology, and we're based in Taiwan. And we have over 20 years of experience of manufacturing and designing high-quality industrial PCs, edge AI systems, and network appliances.
Absolutely. And in this video, we're going to be talking about panel PCs in particular, and you've got some really interesting tech and hardware here. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at?
Correct. So these two are our panel PCs, and essentially most of our products, like our panel PC, are built with industrial grade components. So what that means is, for example, it has wide temperature to withstand harsh environments on the factory floor.
That's awesome. Now, the industrial manufacturing, automation, assembly, warehousing markets are really growing like crazy these days, and panel PC plays a big role in all the automation and controls side. Are there any sort of trends and things that you've been seeing going on that you want our viewers to know about?
Correct. So besides panel PC, we also have our edge AI system here. And for IBASE, what we see as a trend is increasing more usage of AI systems in, again, harsh environments like production floors, production lines, where you need to detect any defections in real time.
Absolutely, and you need it to be hard enough to stand up to the most demanding environments, and that's exactly what you guys have been making. Thank you so much for joining me, Eric.
Thank you so much.
Folks, don't go away. We've got even more coming to you about panel PC and all sorts of great stuff coming from Taiwan Excellence here at Automate 2026. Hello, friends. We're back here in the Taiwan Excellence booth talking about panel PCs, and I'm so excited to be here with Ted from Aplex. Ted, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
In case folks aren't familiar with you or with Aplex, can you tell us a little bit about the company and what you guys do?
Definitely. Aplex is a company who's dedicated in the industrial panel PC, all-in-one solution, and the separate box for the past 2 decades. Okay, and our headquarters and the manufacturer are in Taiwan. And we have been with Taiwan Excellence for several years.
That's incredible.
Yep.
So what are we looking at here today? What are you showing off here at Automate?
As of today, we're showcasing one. It is our panel PC, which is our latest release version, which is called iTron, and our box PC that is a compact but full function edge AI box that you can possibly think about it.
So these sort of all-in-ones, do-it-all-for-me edge devices are really popular right now.
Yes.
You mentioned AI on both of these devices.
Yes.
What are some of the big movers in the edge AI space that you guys are tapping into?
Yes, definitely. For panel PC, if you want to make AI available, then the processor need to enhance into Intel Core Ultra instead of the traditional Core i, because the Core i does not have the AI, the NPU built-in, but the Core Ultra does. And for the PC, if it is for the PC, then the most important what you need is a by 16 slot that occupy NVIDIA high-performance GPU card.
Oh yeah.
And this particular system is able to occupy the full size, and up to 600-watt processor. It comes with a dual redundant power supply. The total system up to 1100 watts. So incredible. It is a very compact with a full function.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Ted. Really appreciate you. Folks, don't go away. We got lots more coming to you from Automate 2026 and TITA. So we'll be right back.